Hello friends, today we will do the long question of chapter number 3 Ode to Autumn. Question: what are the major themes of the poem Ode to Autumn? Answer: To Autumn is a poem by English romantic poet John Keats. It is the final work in a group of poems known as Keats' 1819 Odes. In this poem, Keats describes the beauty of autumn season. He personifies the season while conveying the message that the beauty of autumn is to be enjoyed, though it may be short-lived. Autumn is depicted as being friends with the sun to bring fruits to a state of perfect fullness and ripeness. Autumn is also a thresher, a gleaner, and a cider maker along with being a musician. Autumn is celebrated even though it marks the oncoming of a harsh winter. The poem deals with various themes. The most prominent theme is the relation between man and the natural world. To Autumn contains very specific natural landscape and images. The first stanza offers images of the interaction between humans and the plants that surround them. The second describes the process of agriculture, a natural process that is controlled by people. The third stanza captures some of the wildness and unpredictability of nature. Another major theme of To Autumn is time. The poet mentions autumn and spring, but not winter, as he does not want to think about the cold days. To appreciate and enjoy the beauty of autumn, we need to focus on the present moment, just like the personified figure of autumn, who doesn't seem to have a care in the world. Poet also includes the theme of transformation in the poem. Autumn is the time of transformation between the growth of summer and coming of winter. Things are winding down, and once the harvest is complete, there is nothing left to do but wait until the next season. Much of transformation occurs between the stanzas. The harvest is mostly complete and the ripe apples have been turned into cider. The third stanza focuses on setting of the sun. We can observe the theme of morality in the poem. Autumn is frequently used as a symbol of old age, the time before death. Here the winter season symbolizes death. In conclusion, we can say that in the poem autumn represents the growth, maturation, and finally approaching death. Thank you friends. Friends, if you want the explanation of this chapter, please subscribe my channel to get notification. Thank you.